Penaltin dia semua. Aduh.
I feel myself so important right now.
Baru sadar rutin.
I will be waiting for action.
Anjay, betul banget itu.
What's up, welcome to my channel.
Wapek Team. Oke guys, kembali lagi bersama kita Wapek Team and welcome back to reaction time. Pada video kali ini kita bakal reaction lagi The Legend of
Omet TV.
Nah, siapa lagi kalau bukan?
Siapa ini aku?
Kayak gitu kan?
Iya, nak.
Bukan.
Pengucapan ada dia. Goblok.
Oke guys, kita bakal reaction Viginaki dengan judul Dayana Nungguin Aku di Kazakhstan. Oke guys, tapi sebelum itu jangan lupa di subscribe channel kita Wapek Team dan nyalakan lonceng notifikasinya supaya kalian gak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari kita. Oke, tanpa basa-basi langsung saja kita ke videonya. Let's go.
Goblok.
Oke, kembali lagi bersama Diana di sini dan Fatima. Oh, Dayana.
Klarifikasi kamu ini atau bagaimana?
Your name is Diana or
Oh, Diana.
Dayana.
Dayana, ada Y-nya ya.
Macam deterjen ya.
Dayana.
No, it's fine. Dayana.
Sayang.
Dayana.
Yes.
Okay. How are you?
Sorry kalau ada suara hujannya, soalnya ini kan musim hujan.
Iya.
Bukan musim apa ya, rambutan. Enak tuh kalau musim rambutan.
You. On my YouTube.
Someone sent me this video
Alright.
to my YouTube. Yes, and I was finding that.
Oh, ada yang ngirim dia videonya.
Para netizen ini.
Iya, netizen Indonesia.
Many Indonesians start to follow me.
Ya jelas lah, karena lu terkenal aja di Indonesia
I was
karena
in shock
Vagina.
because I was so I will right now so popular.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Unreal.
Wait. You know what?
Tahu nggak sih?
I'm pretty sure that your followers was.
Dia banyak followersnya guys ya.
Only about.
Dia selebgram atau artis? Siapa anjir? Dia maunya tadi, aduh.
Followers.
Iya, terakhir kita dia 2000 tuh.
Yes.
Oh, dari 2000 kan?
Nah, akses gini followers dari 2000 sampai 41.000.
Dan sekarang 1,3 juta guys. Serius? Terus centang biru pula.
Iya, rata-rata ada juga yang itu di TikTok kalau banyak yang edit gitu.
Hi, I'm from Indonesia.
Yang anu nah.
Oh, that's it. That's not weird. That's
ini
lovely.
Yes, I think it's cute, and I'm actually start to
Udah mulai apa nih?
talk
Udah
with
mulai.
them, yes,
Oh,
and they are so cute. Yeah, and friendly.
ramah
You know
gitu
what?
ya.
When I
Ramah
saw
orang
Ada
Indonesia.
maunya ini, ada maunya kalau begini.
Why are we not getting married?
Kenapa kita gak nikah-nikah?
And you tagged me, right? I was so scared. Oh my God.
Oh,
People actually found you, and oh, this is bad, because you know there was a story from another YouTuber from Indonesia. People got her Instagram, and then they started to send her something bad, like weird. You know what I mean?
oh ya ya.
Yes.
Yeah. So I was so scared. I was like,
Iya betul itu.
what did I do?
Ya itu yang ditakutin guys ya, karena ini kan
And then
orang Indonesia
kenalannya
itu.
ini.
Iya,
Nanti
bukan
makin-
orang Indonesia itu ada yang aneh-aneh man.
Ada yang barbar.
Iya, giring-giring sesuatu yang vulgar gitu kan.
thank you.
They are really cute,
Really?
and I have followers from Malaysia,
Sampai Malaysia ya, luar biasa.
Asia di.
Asia Pasifik.
Thailand maybe because I
Thailand
found
juga? Oh, iya.
Thailand kan masih Asia Thailand.
Iya ya.
from to my photo, and they are actually cute, yes, and friendly.
Oh, very nice, very nice. I was so scared that you will be mad at me for, putting your face
No.
to my.
Malah lebih suka dia.
Padahal lebih anu.
Many
Kenal gitu
Iya.
kan.
that I'm
Lebih
serious,
suka.
so when
Ini
I
ngapain bisa
see
juga?
like jokes,
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone. I don't know. If you down, I'm down.
Kalau kamu mau aku mau kok. Diajak
Langsung
nih.
diajak.
No, I was just kidding.
Okay, I'm
Aku
ready.
siap kok, Widi
You're coming with me to Indonesia.
Wih, diajak Indo dong.
I don't have money actually for that.
Oh iya, harus punya anu dana.
I'm a student. What?
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
No.
If I had a boyfriend, I will didn't tell you that.
Sip. Betul. Betul.
But can we at
Barbar
least
juga ini ceweknya ini.
meet
Soal
at least?
yang baik.
Yes.
Maybe
Yes. Why not?
I'll go visit you. Maybe.
Yes.
And hang
This
out.
will be good.
Yeah, hang out for a day. I don't know.
Yes, full day.
Right? That would be lovely. But I don't know.
Full day bikin vlog juga gitu kan. Wih, seru banget.
Yeah, but I don't know yet because the craziness that's happening right now.
Ya betul.
Ya, betul banget. Masih lagi pandemi ya.
I travel around the world. So,
Corona.
yeah, maybe after that, maybe. Keep in touch, okay? Keep texting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sip.
Because a lot of Indonesians
Think that we couple.
Wih.
They,
Ya,
they
betul banget.
texted me on Instagram. Oh, when will you get married? When will you
Yes,
see
yes, yes.
Dayana?
At the same time.
I don't know, man. Maybe later.
Emang manis Diana ya? Dayana.
I know.
Gagal memang tahu begini lagi gagal. Bukan kau.
Bukan kau Gambi.
Very often it's Janti. I mean, I don't know how I pronounce it, but it means beautiful, and I was like,
Yeah.
Tersentuh.
No. Yeah, Cha.
Ca.
Janti.
Cantik.
Right?
Ya, kamu cantik.
Okay. And this is.
Wih,
This is.
nah kasih begini lagi tadi.
Lagi kipas, ya?
Dikipas rambutnya cuy.
Biasa.
Почему ты мне не сказала раньше, что ты популярный вообще? Почему об этом я узнала только потом? Знаешь, я была в таком шоке на самом деле.
Yeah. I don't want to tell people
Ini lah kalau
that. I
seseorang
mean, I'm not
rendah
famous.
hati.
Yeah.
I'm not famous. I don't want to tell people that because every
Yeah,
time I tell
betul itu.
people that I'm have a lot of followers on Instagram and YouTube, they will are you popular? No, and they skip me. Kind of weird.
Yes.
Oh iya rata-rata
Ya,
yang
rata-rata.
Betul.
Я бы так не отреагировала, потому что, ну ты понимаешь меня?
Если ты говоришь очень быстро, не понимаю.
Я буду говорить медленно.
Пожалуйста.
Как бы я бы так не отреагировала. Это не моя реакция. Я бы, наверное, была рада с одной стороны.
Wait.
Pelan-pelan dong Dayana ya.
You say that slow?
Bukan slow itu.
Pengen ngomong kasar.
Рада.
Рада.
Да.
Что значит по-английски? Не понимаю. Я не слышал это слово.
Happy. I will be happy that I found a famous person in Amrit TV.
Okay.
Yes.
Whoa, if we actually met someday, then
Nah, bakal seru banget itu.
do you go to school or work?
I'm studying
Oh, masih kuliah dia
in
cuy.
university. What about you? Are you a YouTuber and at the same time you...
Yeah,
What do you do?
Study and make videos.
Ты записываешь, да, видео, то есть?
Sure.
Где-то появится потом.
Ini agak susah juga dia subtitling si Faiki ini ya. Karena terlalu cepat ngomongnya Dayana ini. Kadang cepet-cepet dia.
Да, я буду upload. But yeah, oh my god, a lot of Indonesians say, "Oh, come on, Vicky, get married with Dayana. She's so pretty." Blah blah blah.
Some Indonesians send me text like, don't be sad. He's not serious to you or something.
Waduh.
Jadi baik ini. Itu cuma kompor. Itu mau nggak rebut. Oh, Dayana kayak Vika Nabi.
In Instagram, IGTV, I just found a comment like, oh my god, Diana was sad because Vicky is not serious. And I just texted like, calm down, I'm not serious. Yes.
So you're not.
And someone,
Ya, lanjut dibalas.
no.
Ya gitu, ya.
I'm not serious. Of course, you are
Ya, bingung dia, guys.
handsome and
Wow, thanks.
I was told you that before. But first, it's because it's all this video. It's for your content. Yes.
Yeah, but
Hai mulai aneh pikiran
now I
Dayana
feel like we
lagi.
have chemistry.
Yes, ada chemistry emang dia berdua.
Okay.
Who's back?
Chemistry is important.
Ya, chemistry penting
You know,
guys.
I hate chemistry, but I love chemistry way too much.
Yes.
I mean, you hate chemistry lessons in school,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I hate chemistry. The you know subject.
Aku paling suka biologi sih.
Chemistry.
Karena biologi itu sangat ya.
Bukan.
Apalagi gurunya cewek gitu.
We have to meet.
Kawin-kawin.
I don't know. We have to.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay.
You just say okay, and then after this, you're going to block me.
No, never.
Wih,
Oh,
never. Wih,
meyakinkan
jangan.
sekali nih.
Promise. Pinky promise. Pinky promise.
Biar kuku cantik juga ya.
So sweet banget ini.
You can't lie. I mean, you cannot break that.
I know.
Yeah. Good promise.
It's something strong.
Yeah. Strong. Strong like our.
Ya. Bingung mau ngomong apa dia ya.
Did you get
Tapi masa nggak pernah dapat satu
one
dia?
weird message?
Penasaran juga Pidi.
Message.
Apa yang
Apa yang aneh gitu ya.
Animations?
Yeah.
Yes. If I'm not mistaken, I did a screenshot of it.
Like the weirdest. The weirdest of the weirdest.
Yesterday, someone sent me a message like, "I bring you to Indonesia if you want. I pay all. I mean,
Hey,
it's really,
Hey.
it's really weird."
Tell him. Not okay. You have to fight Pinky first.
Yes.
Okay.
laki banget ini Pidi. Jantan
Jantan sekali,
sekali.
Bro.
Jantan macam kuda.
Saltin dia juga. Aduh.
I feel myself so important right now.
Baru sadar rutin.
But yeah, I'm happy if you are happy too. I mean,
Someone told
happy
me that
too.
you're a fuckboy. Yes. Yes. And this guy told me like, I will marry you if you want. I'm just like what?
I'm gonna be honest. So yes, I did everything for content, but I have never made two content with same person.
Oh, I'm.
Yeah. So you are the first one because I don't know. I just feel like I don't know. I just like you.
Oh, it's chemistry again.
Yeah, it's again chemistry.
Chemistry.
So yeah, I've never done this. This is the first time. This is the second time, right? And the third time we are going to do like vlog when I visit.
Okay.
Tapi kapan ini ditunggu nih? Bakalan ditunggu nih para penonton juga.
And then after that, we are going to vlog.
Yes.
Get married. Okay.
Oh, langsung dong. Buru-buru sekali juga.
We already
Itu adalah sebuah tanda kode ya yang ingin
Sabar. Mulai lagi kode itu, Cok. Kalau begitu.
keinginan nih.
This is chemistry. It's a strong chemistry. I can.
Yes.
I don't know. I think we're meant to be.
Wis, udah ditakdirkan
We
kata-katanya.
should be a couple.
Yes.
No, I'm just joking.
Wih, wis.
I'm not joking.
Ya.
Okay, then I'm not too.
Do you think it's a joke?
Wih,
Oh,
fucking man.
If after this video, someone tells me like, Kiki not serious to you, go to marry me.
Okay, I told you that I will visit you. Do you think that's a joke too? That's real. 100%. I swear to God,
Okay,
that's real.
I will be waiting.
Yeah, but I don't know when, but I will.
Okay,
Where are you from?
Maybe
Kazakhstan,
after-
right? Where do you live?
huh? Kazakhstan, Astana.
Astana ya.
Yes, but now our city is named like Nur Sultan.
So
What about you?
Ini Kazakhstan di Turki atau di
now I
mana?
live in Jakarta.
Oh, this
Ada sultan-sultan.
Yep. Jakarta. Say Jakarta.
Jakarta.
Yeah. Do you know apa kabar? No.
Sounds like chupacabra.
Chupacabra. Chupacabra.
Meaning, how are you? Apa kabar? Yeah, I hope. Yeah.
Apa nih?
I know that you thought, everything I said was a joke.
Maybe when we will meet,
Baru yakin.
every situation will be clear. Yes.
Yes.
Ya betul
Wait
itu.
for me in Kazakhstan.
Masih ragu ini.
Iya, kalau Nurstan ini dari Turki sih
I'm
kayaknya.
waiting.
Alright. First,
Kazakhstan,
it's
Rusia.
a little hard
Tahu lah.
to text you on Instagram, DM you. What if I
Karena kalau aku minta nomor kamu. Sip, baru dimintain nomor ternyata ya.
I will text you.
Nomor
Gue
apa?
kira udah dikasih nomornya cuy, nomor WA.
Perfect.
Nomor WA.
Oh, nomor anu lah, nomor pribadi, ya itulah.
We just have to keep in touch, and then after, when I want to go to Kazakhstan, I'll tell you, and then it's gonna be lovely. Why are you smiling? I'm not joking.
Kasih tahu.
No, I'm just smiling.
Cuma senyum aja, sip.
For no reason.
You're like smiling, and then you tell to yourself in your heart, this guy is joking.
I will be waiting for action.
Anjay, betul banget itu. Langsung cuy, langsung komitmen.
Anu gimana lagi langsung keluar bahkan nunjuk ini. Harus.
On WhatsApp, and then
Bisa cuy di WhatsApp.
it's gonna be lovely. All right, where's your friend? Hello, friend.
Hi.
Jangan nanti disikat juga.
Itu cantik juga tuh.
Come to the other room.
Don't be scared. Nice to meet you. I'm Raisa. This is
Banyak kali. Ya ini teman.
Whoa.
Tapi cantik kayaknya kalau dia sudah masker, cantik ini nih.
Nice.
yeah.
Yang cantik dia tuh kalau sudah masker.
So, do you guys agree if I get
Jayana?
with Jayana?
Wih, terus
lagi nih si cewek.
kita sih nunggu aja betul.
I love you guys.
Ini si cewek pasti ya.
Thank you.
Kayak di atas awan nih cok.
Thank you very much.
Kalau begini.
Hah?
Di atas awan nih kalau begini. Cara
Kalau saya sih di
pembicaraan.
atas kasur.
Jadi aku
Iya, kalau udah nikah
susah buat aku minta dia dan ajak untuk ngomong lagi.
Dan
Dia
apa sih?
ngomong dia akhirnya.
bingung dia
That was
bingung.
Indonesian. I'm sorry. I was talking to my viewers.
Ya, oke.
All Indonesians are very, very cute.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Makasih.
Alright, Diana.
Makasih.
Have a great day and stay healthy. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
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 Enggak terasa.
Terasa ya 17 menit ya.
Ngomong
Kita kayak nonton film Korea gitu.
Mudah-mudahan mereka ini berjodoh. Mudah-mudahan ini bikin Aki sebagai lelaki nih
Harus menunjukkan nih.
menunjukkan dia itu semacam kayak pertanggungjawabannya itu dengan kata-katanya, betul
Iya,
kan?
betul banget.
itu pesanku kayak ya saya kutip dari Bapak Gading tuh kayak
Yes, Papa Gading.
sedih atau ada masalah larinya ke Tuhan bukan ke laki-laki lain tuh.
Mungkin sekian dulu dari reaction kita kali ini. Jika kalian suka jangan lupa di like,
Komen,
share, and subscribe guys. See ya.